Hello, good morning. I'm Avik Pal, founder and CEO of CliniOps. It's a pleasure to be here today at the Roche Supplier event 2021. We were there last year as well and had a fantastic time. So I'm here to present our unified platform for hybrid and virtual clinical trials. And we have a heavy focus on good quality data at source. Right? So I like to call ourselves as the data science company for the life sciences industry. So let's look at some of the problems we're trying to solve. It's primarily in three segments. One is for the lack of diversity and inclusive research, one for good technology and one for seamless process. Now on the diversity side, currently less than 2% of the US zip codes conduct majority of the trials, and hence less than 5% of the patients actually participate. So this has a huge impact on the lack of diversity. Right. With the CliniOps platform, you can take your trials where your patient is. It shows much wider outreach and gives a good diversity and inclusive research ensures, right? And with that, you can also increase patient engagement, recruitment, retention, all of that. On the product side, currently to run a single clinical trial, your operations team is probably mapped, working with multiple databases, one for ADC, one for CTMS, one for randomization, one for eDiary, and so on and so forth. But with the CliniOps platform, you have a single unified platform, and you can conduct all your trials just in that platform. It's also integrated to telemedicine, right? We have multiple patterns associated to it. And you can also do continuous monitoring of your patients and talk to them daily and share educational materials, send alerts, share data in real time, and so on and so forth. And finally, traditional clinical data management is complex, time-consuming, and inefficient. With CliniOps platform, you can elevate your trials to clinical data science, leveraging good technology along with AI, ML, and NLP. This is our platform. Let's look at it closely. So as I was saying earlier, the protocol is mapped to one configuration only. You don't have to configure multiple databases for the same study. Once done, data can be collected either from the hospital through the site app or from patient home through the patient app. The site app is also integrated with labs and EHRs and others, and the patient app is integrated with wearables, connected devices, and stuff. Right? Phlebotomists can also visit patient home and collect the data using the same app. Right? And when it comes to the running the operations, based on your access control, you can get to see whatever data you need to see, either from EDC or from ePro or for consent or randomization, so on and so forth, with very rich reporting, dashboarding, analytics, predictive analysis, trends, decision support systems, all accessible through the web portal. So currently we are supporting trials in more than 200 sites across about 25 to 30 countries, 35 million data points, supporting all trials in phase 1 through phase 4, including large phase 3 trials as well, across several therapeutic areas, as you can see. I'm very happy to share that this year we started our first study with Roche. It's an oncology study for the safety monitoring of cytokine release syndrome, CRS treatment. It's currently rolled out in 3 countries, US, Canada, and Australia, and shortly rolling out in 6 EU countries. And there are several discussions in progress with several groups within Roche. And finally, we've been recognized by several top analysts, including Gartner, FDA, Frost & Sullivan, PharmaWise. Thank you very much for your time, and open to take any questions.